For the painting tip today, we're going to be painting clouds in watercolor. Or actually, rather we'll be painting the sky and lifting off the clouds. This is one of the easiest ways to paint or to get clouds to appear when you are painting in watercolor. So I have my blank paper here, and I'm going to start off, well, with a brush that had a little bit of blue in it, but that's okay. I add more water and it goes away. So I'm going to paint a sky, and the way I'm going to do that is first I'm going to wet down the paper with my brush, which is why it's taped on the edges. If this were a real painting I was doing, I would tape down all the edges, because you can see that the paper buckles as you add the water. The heavier the paper, the less it buckles. But this one is buckling a bit. So now I'm going to get my paint. This is a phthalo blue. And as I put it on there, ooh, it's pretty bright. You can see how it's running over the water, sort of spreading there. If I want it lighter, I don't use white. I will just add more water to it. And I can spread it like this. This brush is probably a little small for the area I'm trying to cover, but it's working because the water isn't drying and the paint can move. Get a nice even surface going there. Alrighty, so there is my sky. Now I want to add clouds to this sky, but I do not want to use paint for them. With watercolors, you want to achieve white by using the white of the paper. So a lot of times that means going around an object or masking an object out, or it could be what we're going to do today, which is lifting the paint. So it's still wet. I'm going to take a paper towel, sort of ball it up so I can hold it like that, and I'm going to press on the paper and make my cloud shape. And clouds aren't really round cotton balls. They do look fluffy sometimes, but they're actually all different shapes. So I'm gonna make these perfectly round. So I'm gonna give it some variation. And there is some blue in there, and that's good too because we see some blue in the clouds. And there they are. How easy! Clouds in watercolor.